So these are the contact numbers for Yap Sambin Motors. And this is their place. You can see that's Plaridel Street in Mandaue City. And this is the area. They're selling mostly Korean surplus cars, Bongos, and sometimes they have Mazda, but it's all surplus units. But like they said, the best thing about the Korean, it's already left-hand drive. So this is the place, and tanaw na to yung mga model gang. So they get the double cab, single cab, 4x4, 4x2. For those people still requesting for Bongo carry trucks. So this is the Bongo 3, a new model. That's 360. I'll go inside the Bongo 3 to see the difference as well. The capacity for the ELP of these Bongos are 1 ton. So it's leather seats. 3 person can sit here. It still has not been detailed, but they will clean it up for you. When you buy it, they'll put all in detail. So the thing with Korean surplus is they don't have to convert it to from right hand drive to left hand drive. That's the Kia Bongo 3, capacity of 1 ton. And these are the Kia Bongo old type, 320 for the 4x2. You got in different design, colors, not design. It's all the same. So it's all the same model, except that some have 4x2, 4x4, and then double cab and single cab. Pero kuan siya daw, Cebu siya nga rehistro. Pero
Cebu ba niya itong kuan dito, pre?
Kuan.
Mindanao, no?
Mindanao gyapon na.
Pero ari po niyo, ari ba ninyo? Kaya surplus at kumulit Mindanao.
Magsugod, no?
Pero pag
Renew na.
pag
Ang registration, pwede i-transfer dire. Okay ra. Kani so pila ning ingon ani ga Bongo nga
Dito tag kamera gamay kaya.
Bongo silent.
Bongo silent?
4x2 ni siya, ma'am.
4x2 ang green. Pila na ga?
320.
320. Kana imong gigunitan des imong kamot dong.
Sold out naman ni ma'am.
Sold na ni. Unsa pa ilain dire? Mao ni siya 320 sad ni Kia. Unsay brand ani niya gang? Kia gyapon. So these are Kia Bongo. Kaniga 320 gyapon. 4x2?
4x2, ma'am.
Mao gyapon ni presyoha dire gang. So ang 4x2 320 siya. Nya mo offer mo installment or
Ang sukol man na siya na, ma'am.
financing? Na sila financing ila.
Marunong kuan, pwede lang.
So this is Yap Sambin Motor Trading here in unsa gyud nga na nga street to?
Cambaro Plaridel Street, ma'am.
So Cambaro Plaridel Street in Mandaue City. So pareha gyapon ni 4x2 ra ni siya tanan gang.
4x4 ni siya, ma'am. Mas taas-taas ni siya presyo, ma'am.
Pila ang 4x4? 350. So naana na siya kuan dong aircon wala.
Kompleto na siya, ma'am, kay dili man ni siya converted, ma'am. Left hand drive man gid ni siya kay Korea man.
So left hand drive gyud siya. Pwede mo update tanawon kuno nako imong finish gang. So this is money 4x4.
Ma'am.
4x4
ni
is
siya, ma'am.
350. So this is what they
Pero wala pa lang ni siya ma-detail ang sulod jud, ma'am.
Oh.
Yohanan pa ni siya.
So they haven't detailed it, but I'm just giving you the idea of what's inside the Bongo 4x4. Their Bongo are Mazda, Kia, unsa pa?
Kana lang ma'am, Mazda o Kia.
So these are Korean din siya diri nga.
Korean.
So
oo,
this
Korean
shop here, Yap Sambin, is Korean surplus. So this is 350. Negotiable pa na ga?
Oh, negotiable pa naman imo na sa bandon.
Dili ko nang boy.
Adili man ba ang kuan ba kanay mo
Aw.
sa papanan mo na?
Oh. Ako nang boy. Grabe sa gadong. Pinako siya akong pasabot. Di, oh. Kani, so this is the 4x4.
Nailan mo siya ang 4x4 ma'am, kaya naingon ani ma'am.
So that's the indication of 4x4 because ang 4x4 dili day siya kuandong munaog pa then you lock it out.
Oh, mas lig-on maguni ingon ani ma'am kaysa katong vacuum type.
So the 4x4s that they sold here are selling here, I mean, are the one that you have to get down and adjust the wheel. You know?
4x4, 4x2.
Oh, because you can say
normal lang, wala kay kuan.
that's 4x2, that's 4x4.
Saka na kag mga bukid-bukid na lapot. 4x4 na ka.
So they don't have the vacuum type. But he said this is more stronger. So the Bongo, that's Kia. So the 3x2, 4x2 I mean, is 320. So their brand that they carry, bisag Mazda 320 gyapon, bisag 4x2.
Lain po na Mazda, mas mahal siya
Mas mahal
Japan
bitaw.
man gud siya.
Lagi.
Oh, pero conversion siya.
So
Japan man ang ginitan ba.
so the only thing about the Korean surplus is they're already left-hand drive. Left-hand drive na jud ba sa Korea gano?
Wala gina siya convert.
So they haven't converted anything, only just refurbished the engine and the body. So the 4x4 is 350. That's Kia Bongo. And if you want it on an installment, they also offer in-house financing. In-house inyong financing diri? Or
Mukuan man na zero in-house ma'am, depende ma'am sa kuan. Sabot niya, pero kasagaran ng iyang financing ma'am, RFC, Orex,
financing agency. So you still have to go to a financing agency, although they can refer you to one. Sa RFC is their financing agency that they keep on using. So again, these are Kia Bongos. 4x2 is 320. 4x4 is 350. Kana ga Bongo 3 unsa man ni?
Bongo 3 na siya ma'am.
Lain sa ni siya presyo.
Oh, left-hand drive gyapon na siya ma'am, pero mas bago na siya, modelo na siya ba.
So these are the newer one, Bongo 3, 1 ton, 380. Unsa nakalahi niya dong?
Tanawa yung now ma'am, lain na siya.
Oo, it looks different.
Model na siya, yung body.
And if you look at the old type,
kuan lang.
lahi ra gyud bitaw ang old type, no?
Oo, ang karaan tanawa yung kuan mga headlights niya.
The headlights is different, and this is the new model. That's 380. Double cab lagi ni siya gang.
Oh, double cab. Kia Bongo gyapon na siya ma'am.
So
pero
Kia
double cab
Bongo.
na siya.
So how much ang double cab? 4x2 gyapon ni.
Oh, 4x2 ma'am. 360 ra man ni ma'am.
360 for the double cab 4x2. Because what we've been pricing you, 350 4x4 are single cab, 320 4x2 are single cab. So here you can have passengers. So these are the double cab type for 360,000. Nalagay mo yung dako ga.
Mighty ma'am.
Mighty pilay mighty.
Hyundai Mighty na siya ma'am.
Kana.
580.
So they have pilay capacity sa that's Hyundai Mighty. 580,000. Pilay capacity na 2 tons?
Kuan, 2 tons. 2.5.
2.5 tons is the capacity for this
Tama mo.
Mighty. Oo, dara man di ay.
2.5 tons lang yan kapag yan.
Oh.
Size ang kataas ma'am.
16 foot long and 2.5 capacity. That's 580,000. Again, this is the Bongo.
Bracket. Oh.
Mukuan sa day mong mga parts, dong baligya sa day mong mga parts.
Mga spare parts ma'am, basta sa Kia Bongo lang, nay kompleto og spare
So
parts.
you can also buy spare parts here if you have a Kia.
Or surplus na ani.
They have Kia Bongo brand new or surplus parts for sale here in this place, Yap Sambin Motors.
5 ra ni siya.
So this is the Mazda Brownie, and you can see is the power tailgate on the end. So if you have something so heavy, you can just put it down and then you can drag it down. So this is 360. 4x2 ra ni siya dong.
Oh, 4x2 ra ni siya ma'am.
So this is a 4x2 Mazda Bongo Brownie. So this is Yap Sambin Motor Trading, located here in Plaridel Street, Cambaro, Barangay Cambaro, Mandaue City.